SEO is crucial for businesses looking to increase visibility and attract new customers. Understanding the synergy between earned, owned, and paid media can be transformative. Let's delve into these elements to empower your SEO strategy. Earned media is organic exposure gained through media coverage, social shares, and influencer endorsements. It is invaluable for establishing credibility and driving traffic. Building relationships with industry influencers and journalists is essential for amplifying your brand message. Earned media enhances SEO by generating backlinks, social signals, and brand mentions, which signal search engines about your site's credibility and relevance. Engage audiences with high-quality content that inspires sharing and discussion. By nurturing earned media, you elevate your brand reputation and search rankings. Owned media, including your website, blog, and social profiles, is your digital storefront. It offers full control to tailor content and SEO practices. Optimize on-page elements like title tags and meta descriptions to improve search visibility. Strategically crafted content positions you as an industry leader. Ensure your website structure is intuitive for both users and search engines. Maximize your media's value by integrating email and social media marketing. Paid media, though not organic, is pivotal in broadening reach. Use search and display ads to direct targeted traffic to your platforms. This complementing strategy can improve engagement metrics, indirectly influencing SEO rankings. Sophisticated targeting options ensure your ads reach the right audience, enhancing brand visibility and conversions. Paid campaigns should align with overall SEO goals to maximize synergy and impact. Efficiently integrating earned, owned, and paid media creates an omni-channel approach for SEO mastery. This synergy boosts organic traffic, builds authority, and enhances overall marketing effectiveness. Craft holistic content strategies that utilize each media type. Engage continuously with audiences to nurture loyalty and trust. Regularly analyze performance to refine tactics and maintain SEO competitiveness. Revolutionize your approach by leveraging earned, owned, and paid media for strategic SEO growth. Implement this integrated strategy to enhance visibility, attract meaningful engagement, and cement your brand's authority in your industry. Dive into the journey of SEO excellence today. Visit our education portal to learn more about SEO at imagebuildingmedia.com.